Hey guys, Dana Cartech 710 here, and it's that time of the month. I actually did film the Volume 6 video, but I didn't post it because I got absolutely skunked. I mean, I got absolutely nothing, and I'm not complaining because, you know, you win some, you lose some with these. I mean, in any given set, there's between 500 and 700 cards, and you only get, you know, as little as 4, as many as, 18 chances to get one of those prize cards. So, you know, it's what it is. It's you get what you can get. But anyways, got my checklist here, and I'm glad I do because I honestly do not know what in the world I'm looking for in any given year. So, if you guys see anything that I tend to discard, please let me know, and I'll appreciate it. So, 81 Donruss, 85 Donruss, and you got 93 Top Series 1, very cool. Never opened one of those before. 2008 Chrome, 2013 Topps Update, 2015. We'll just go down the line and open as I get them. So, let's hope for better luck than last month. Still, great pack selection, Flemington. I've seen openings of other random packs, and I think Flemington's choice of packs is really, really outstanding. So, 81 Donruss. So we're hoping for a Rock Reigns or a Danny Ainge. And actually, I saw Silver Jack bipolar to Danny Ainge, so likely not to get one of those, but we'll see. Joy McLaughlin, Vern Rule. Oh, wow, cool. Pete Rose. A little off center, but still. Great card. Pat Kelly, Frank White, Steve Rogers, Len Barker, George Frazier, Jay Johnstone, Dickie Thon, Rich Dawson, Tom Buskey. Oh, cool. Nolan Ryan. Sweet card. These cards are coming off center, but still. Jim Lentine, Elias Sosa, and Chris Spear. Still got the Rose and the Ryan. That's not too bad. So, 85 Donruss. And you got Clemens, Kirby Puckett, Oral Hershiser. Puzzle card. Ooh. Reed Nichols, Rod Scurry, another Pete Rose. It's kind of cool. Greg Walker, Chili Davis, Tom Brokens, Mike Moore, Mark Davis, Mike Bilecki, off center, Pete O'Brien, Eddie Murray, Danny Walling, Dan Pasqua, Greg Minton, Don S. Okay, 93 Topps, and of course you're looking for my man Jeter. Never pulled Jeter before, so, oh shit. Okay, let's see what we got. Andres Galarraga. Jeez. Oh. He got Bernard Gilkey. I remember when he was a hot prospect. Gary Carter. Oh, sweet. Larry Walker. Todd Hundley. Gold card is, I can't read this down, Hippolito Pichardo. Bob Patterson, John Burkett, Harold Baines, Hall of Famer now. Brady Anderson, Jeff Grotwald, Mike Gardner, Cesar Hernandez, Lenny Harris. I remember him on the Dodgers. Kevin Reimer. He used to have to platoon with Mike Sharpson. 2008 baseball, Bowman Chrome. So you got the Justin Turner, the Joey Votto, Evan Longoria, Carlos Santana. Carlos Santana would be cool. I don't have any Carlos Santana cards, so that would be definitely welcomed. Very few cards in here, so still. Oh, what's this? Austin Kearns, Kazuyo Fukumori, Glenn Gibson, and Nevin Ashley. Any idea who those guys are? Don't know. Next, 2013 update, Topps update. Love these packs. So, you got the Yelich, the Arenado, the Rendon, the SLP, Didi Gregorius, and Garrett Cole. And I think I have every one of those except for the Garrett Cole. So, but still, I love these packs. So, Donald Lutz, JP Howell, Justin Upton. Oh, shit. Sweet. Here we go. Christian Yelich. A little off center, but still. Excuse me while I put this in the sleeve. Very nice. Nick Franklin, don't know who that is. George Brett, that's kind of a cool card. Won the album. We got Blake Parker. Jose Dominguez, Junichi Tazawa, and Justin Grimm. Sweet. So, 2015, we got Francisco Lindor, Chris Bryant, Carlos Correa, Joey Gallo, Byron Buxton, Jock Peterson, Noah Syndergaard, Eddie Rosario, Tommy Pham, and Matt Boyd. Let's see what we got. Zach McAllister, Tommy Maloney, Aroldis Chapman. It's a cool looking card. LaTroy Hawkins. You got Severino Gonzalez. Is it a gold card? Yep, it's numbered. Billy Williams. Troy Tulowitzki. It's kind of a cool looking card. Pirates card. Oh, sweet. Joey Gallo. Here we go. I didn't have a Joey Gallo either, so definitely cool. Glenn Perkins. Hey, it's worth the wait. Last month didn't get anything. So far, the Yelich and the Gallo. That's not too bad. And a couple of good cards from my album, too. So, not going to complain. There's the Yelich. Sorry, guys. 2016 Topps Chrome. Let's see, Corey Seager, Trevor Story, Trey Turner, Alberto Mondesi, Kevin Mart, Gary Sanchez, Black Snell, Aaron Nola, Jose Barrios. So, Odor, Teixeira. It's kind of a cool card. Nice one to put in my album. I always liked Mark Teixeira. Michael Franco, Future Stars. Don't know. And Rob Refsnyder. 2017 Topps Chrome. You got Cody Bellinger, Aaron Judge, Alex Bregman, Andrew Benintendi, Yohan Moncada. Okay. Max Scherzer. Oh, sweet. Dude, this is awesome. And it's a refractor. Got a nice shine. Don't have this one. Thick card, too. Sorry, guys. It's taking me a little bit, but there we go. And we got Kenley Jansen and Andrew Tolles. Sweet, 2017 Topps Update. Cody Bellinger once again, Judge, Bregman, Benintendi, Yamakata. I'm sorry. Cody Bellinger, Matt Chapman, Luke Voigt, Judge, Bregman, Andrew Benintendi, Yamakata, Paul DeJong, Luis Castillo, and Josh Hader. So, this has been a sweet box. Thank you, Phil. Brian McCann, Chase DeJong. Was that one of them? Oh, it's Paul DeJong. So, don't know who this guy is, but still, rookies. Carlos Luis, Yonder Alonso, Yamakata. Man. This is the rookie debut, but still. Nice card. That I did not have. You got Dawson, nice Dawson. Eric Skoglund. Kyle Freeland. Justin Bohr, and Josh Hader. Very cool. And I think Hader was, yep, Hader was another one I was looking for. Very nice. Man, same pack. I got a Jan Makata and a Josh Hader. 2018 high number Heritage. So you got Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, Gleyber Torres. All the popular guys. Okay. Lance Penn. Darnley. Nice mustache, by the way. Austin Ramin. Single Juan. Oh, what's this? Nice. Kershaw. Cool. It's a jersey card. Still pretty cool. Kershaw. Tony Sangrani. Mark Canha, and Taylor Motter. 2018 Topps Update. Last two packs. And what is an awesome box. Man, Phil, thank you. I mean, I love opening packs anyways. It's a great stress relief, but it definitely helps when you actually get some hits. Jordan Lyles. George Springer. That's a pretty cool shot at Bryce Harper. Dylan Cousins. Or Dylan Cousins, excuse me. Joe Jimenez. Oh, sweet. Actually, I have this one. Yeah, I have it. But still, nice card. Paxton throws a no-hitter. He's with the Yankees now, unfortunately. But Sung Hwan Oh, Bartolo Colon, and Jeffrey Martin. Last pack, so 2018 Topps Series 2. So Pete Alonso, Fernando Tatis, Eloy Jimenez. I have Pete Alonso Bowman, and I have the Topps Heritage, but I don't have Topps Update. So Jake Cave, Johnny Field, Kevin Newman, Francisco Mejia, Royals. What's this? That's kind of a cool card. Copy of the, was it 54s? Jace Fry, Vince Velasquez, Greg Allen, Jace Peterson, Adam Frazier, Kyle Freeland, and we got San Diego Sluggers and Max Stassi. Okay, that's it. So, definitely got a nice little stack of stars and some rookies that I never heard of before. But as for hits, you got the Joey Gallo rookie. Nice card. Josh Hader. Cool hair. Rookie debut of the Jan Makata. Cody Bellinger refractor, I think. Not numbered, but I'll have to look this up. And then, of course, I got the Christian Yelich which a little off center, but still, I'm not going to complain. It's going to be going to PSA. So, anyways, guys, Brick Explosion box. I don't know if Filmington still has any more, but I highly recommend you guys get one if you haven't. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.